Hello friends, welcome to my channel Healthy Samayal. When you go out for a market, you might have seen the jellies which are really very soft and colorful. Now you can make the jellies at home just using a cornstarch. In a pan, add 2 glasses of sugar, 1 glass of water. Mix it well and let it come to a boil. Once it is done, just set it aside. In a pan, add another 1 cup of cornstarch. In the same glass, measure 1½ cup of water. Add the water into the cornstarch and let it come to a boil. It comes into a thick consistency very soon, so keep stirring it. Once it becomes thick, just start adding the sugar syrup. Don't add all the sugar syrup at once, just add it gradually. Once it gets a semi-thick consistency, add the food color. It's completely optional. But when you add the food color, the color looks so great. Now just transfer it into a bowl. Just make the surface smooth with a spoon. Just cover it with a lid and refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Now our jelly is ready just in 30 minutes. Just detach the edges with a knife. Just flip it over on a plate. It comes out so yummy. Really very soft, and just cut it into pieces. So soft and perfect jelly texture. Now just dip them into the sugar. Now our jellies are ready. Try this wonderful jellies at your home, and even kids enjoy eating them. Stay tuned to Healthy Samayal for many more simple and healthy recipes. Thank you.